Hey all you fine folks, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry that I missed like the last week. It has been so crazy. I had one of my first bigger vendor fairs. I did pretty good. I got to hand out some of my cards to some very interested people, so I'm very excited about that. So today's video, I just wanted to kind of get into the spring weather and do like a springtime palette. So let's get into painting. Well guys, like I said, this is a springtime palette, and I didn't go super pastel because I knew that with a white pillow things will kind of look a little more on the pastel side. So all the colors are listed in the video description, and I also panned over to them. They are all This Little Piggy pigments. As you know, I love This Little Piggy pigments. So what I'm doing right here is I am gently, and it doesn't look so gentle on the video, but I am like tapping the air bubbles out from my tile. Now, I always try to mix my paints up ahead of time, but more times than not, I just get in these moods to paint and I just gotta do it right now. So this is my way to kind of combat those air bubbles. I hope I surprised you with the color of cell activator I'm going to be using today. I feel like it definitely rounds out this whole palette. I hope everybody is having a good week so far. I know I've been crazy busy, just doing a lot of stuff, also working on a commission, and I can't wait to show the video for that. So, I am using Amsterdam Titanium Nickel Yellow for my cell activator for the swiping, and I think it looks so cool. Now keep in mind, I'm not usually somebody who likes yellow, but this art form has definitely made me appreciate yellows and pinks. Kind of looks like a little snake that I swiped in. Now, I do have plans to do a little bit of a bigger piece, at least an 8x8 with the same colors. I just kind of wanted to see how these would play together, and I really did enjoy it. And as always, folks, if you like seeing my content and you want to see more, I highly recommend that you hit that subscribe button, because I, aside from last week, will be here for you every week. I was not planning on that, but well, of course life happens. I appreciate every one of you for sticking with me with this journey of mine. This has definitely been an awesome paint journey so far, and I don't see it ending anytime soon. Wow, guys, what do you think of that? Doesn't that look pretty interesting? And right now you see me kind of blowing and trying to pop any bubbles from my colors that I put down. So one thing that I started doing that you're seeing me do right now is I'm trying to scrape up all the excess paint before I spin and kind of just adding that onto my canvas, just so I'm reducing, reusing, and recycling as much as I can, kind of reduce the waste. I think it makes for a fairly fun background. And we're off. I gotta say, spinning is always my favorite part. I love watching it as I'm spinning it. And I love watching it like right now when I was editing this video for it to be uploaded. Well, folks, I hope you liked that. Comment down below. Let me know what I should do for like a live. I was planning on doing another one probably this upcoming Sunday, so just let me know. I was thinking of a little Q&A. Should I come prepared with like some answers? Maybe you guys, actually, you guys should comment down below and start asking me some questions, and I can start answering those. Alright, I will see you guys next time. Bye!